Smart home technology has gone from a sci-fi novelty to a mainstream household standard in just 1 decade. More than 60% of households in Europe and North America now contain at least one smart speaker, smart bulb, smart camera, or connected hub. The most installed smart device on Earth lives in over 500 million homes and costs less than a decent restaurant meal. The 5 devices on this list together drive the entire connected home category: voice control, smart lighting, video security, premium audio, and the central display that ties everything together. These are the 5 best smart home devices you can buy in 2026. At number 5 is the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2, with a recommended retail price of approximately $229, about $249. Ring was founded by Jamie Siminoff in 2013 and pitched on the US TV show Shark Tank, where it was famously rejected by all 5 investors. Amazon bought Ring in 2018 for approximately $920 million/$1 billion, and it has since become the dominant smart doorbell platform worldwide, with more than 10 million active users. The Doorbell Pro 2 features 1536p head-to-toe HD video, meaning it captures the full vertical view from the visitor's face all the way down to packages on the doorstep, plus color night vision, dual-band Wi-Fi, motion detection that distinguishes people from cars and animals, and a built-in radar sensor that tracks visitor movement. It integrates with the Amazon Alexa ecosystem, so any nearby Echo device can act as a chime. Ring's controversial police data sharing program was wound down in 2024, restoring much of the privacy reputation the brand had been losing. For most households, the Ring Doorbell Pro 2 is the first smart device they buy, and the one they use multiple times every single day. Number 4 is the Philips Hue White Color Ambiance Starter Kit, with a price of approximately $199, about $219, for 3 smart bulbs plus the Hue bridge. Philips Hue launched in 2012 and is the original mainstream smart lighting product. It is still the most polished, most reliable, and most widely compatible color-changing lighting system you can buy. Each bulb produces approximately 16 million individual colors, dims smoothly from warm 2000 Kelvin candlelight to cool 6500 Kelvin daylight, and is rated for over 25,000 hours of use. The Hue Bridge connects to your home Wi-Fi router and acts as the central hub for up to 50 individual lights, controlled via the Hue app, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, Samsung SmartThings, Razer Chroma gaming integration, and dozens of other ecosystems. Newer Hue products include sync boxes that automatically match your lights to the colors playing on your TV or PC monitor in real time. There are countless cheaper smart bulbs available, but the Hue ecosystem's longevity, reliability, and platform support remain genuinely best in class. After 14 years on the market, Philips Hue is still the gold standard of smart lighting. Number 3 is the Apple HomePod 2nd generation, with a price of $349 in Europe and $299 in the United States. Apple's full-sized HomePod 2 features 5 tweeters, a 4-inch high excursion woofer, beamforming microphones, and Apple's S7 chip, borrowed from the Apple Watch, which runs Siri voice processing entirely on-device for privacy. The HomePod 2 is widely considered the best-sounding mainstream smart speaker in its price class. It uses spatial audio computational room correction technology that measures the acoustics of the room in real time and adjusts its output accordingly. 2 HomePods automatically pair into a true stereo setup with Dolby Atmos when used with Apple TV. The trade-off is that the HomePod only works fully within the Apple ecosystem. It requires an iPhone for setup, integrates exclusively with HomeKit and Apple Music, and ignores Spotify, Alexa, and Google Home. For users embedded in Apple's ecosystem, the HomePod is the most premium-feeling smart speaker on the market. For everyone else, it is a beautiful, expensive, partially locked device. The smaller HomePod Mini at $99/$99 is the more accessible entry point and one of the best-selling smart speakers in Europe in 2025-26. Number 2 is the Google Nest Hub Max, priced at approximately $229, about $229. The Nest Hub Max combines a 10-inch, 25cm, 1280 by 800 HD touchscreen with stereo speakers, an integrated Google Assistant powered by the Gemini AI model, and a 6.5-megapixel front-facing camera that supports Google Duo video calling, face match user recognition, and gesture controls. Place a hand up to the screen to pause music, swipe to skip tracks, all without touching the device. The 2025 firmware update brought on-device Gemini AI to the Nest Hub Max, meaning queries like asking for recipe substitutions while cooking or summarizing your day's schedule are processed locally rather than streamed to a server. The Hub Max acts as the central control surface for any Google Home or Matter-compatible smart home, displaying camera feeds, lighting controls, thermostat settings, and timers on a single glanceable screen. It is the device that makes a smart home actually feel cohesive rather than a collection of disconnected gadgets controlled by separate apps. For most users entering the smart home category in 2026, the Nest Hub Max is the most useful single product you can buy. And at number 1, the best-selling smart home device on Earth is the Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation, with a recommended retail price of just about $50. The Echo product family has cumulatively sold over 500 million units worldwide since the original Echo launched in November 2014. That makes Alexa-powered devices the most installed smart home product ever made by a wide margin. The 5th generation Echo Dot launched in September 2022 and remains Amazon's bestseller in 2026. It features a 1.73-inch driver delivering surprisingly full sound for its size, an integrated temperature and motion sensor, and LED clock display option, Eero Wi-Fi mesh extender functionality, and on-device speech processing for faster Alexa response times. The Alexa platform supports approximately 140,000 third-party skills, more than any other voice assistant platform on Earth, and integrates with virtually every smart home product category, from smart bulbs to smart locks to smart appliances. What makes the Echo Dot truly remarkable is the price-to-value ratio. At $59, you get a fully featured smart hub, a respectable speaker, an intercom system, a kitchen timer, a music streamer, and a control surface for any compatible smart home device. Amazon sells the Echo Dot at near zero margin specifically to lock customers into the Alexa ecosystem, and the strategy has produced the single most installed connected product in the history of the consumer electronics industry. From the 229 Ring Doorbell Pro 2 at number 5 all the way to the 59 Amazon Echo Dot at the top, these are the 5 smart home devices that should be on your shortlist in 2026. Together, they cover lighting, security, audio, displays, and the voice assistant that ties everything together. Which one is already in your home? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more tech rankings.